Hello student, myself Dr. Manoj Sukla. Today I have taken a lecture of weed management and lecture topic is crop weed competition. Crop weed competition. Competition is a struggle between two organisms for a limited resource that is essential for growth. If one component is crop and another component is weed, so this term is called as crop weed competition. Water, nutrient, light and space are the major factors for which usually competition occur. Competition between crop plant and weed is most severe when they have similar vegetative habit and common demand of available growth factors. Principles of crop weed competition. There are four major principles: competition for nutrients, competition for moisture, competition for light, and competition for carbon dioxide. Now, first principle, competition for nutrient. It is an important aspect of crop weed competition. Weeds usually absorb mineral nutrient faster than crop plant. Usually, weeds accumulate relatively larger amount of nutrient than crop plant. Nutrient removed by weeds leads to a huge loss of nutrient in each crop season, which is often twice that of crop. Amaranthus accumulate over 3% nitrogen in their dry matter and these fall under category of nitrophil. Digitaria species accumulate more phosphorus content of over 3.36%. Chenopodium and Portulaca are potassium lover which over 4% K2O in their dry matter. Setaria accumulates as high as 585 ppm of zinc in its dry matter. It is about 3 times more than by cereal crop. Now, next competition is competition for moisture. Crop weed competition become critical with increasing soil moisture stress. In general, for producing equal amount of dry matter, wheat transpire more water than field crop. Therefore, the actual evapotranspiration from the wheat crop field is much more than evapotranspiration from a weed-free crop field. Conservative use of Chenopodium album is 550 mm as against 479 mm of wheat crop. Further, it was noted that wheat remove moisture eventually from up to 90 cm soil depth, while the major uptake of moisture by wheat was limited to top 15 cm of soil depth. Wheats growing in fallow land are found to consume as much as 70 to 120 hectare of soil moisture and this moisture is capable of producing 15 to 20 quintal of grain per hectare in the following season. Now, competition for light. Plant height and vertical leaf area distribution are the important element of crop weed competition. When moisture and nutrient in soil are plentiful, weeds have an edge over crop plants and grow taller. Competition for light occurs during early crop growth season. If a dense wheat growth is smoother the crop seedlings, crop plants suffer badly due to shedding effect of wheat. This shedding effect is known as wheat canopy. Cotton, potato, several vegetables and sugarcane are subjected to heavy wheat growth during seedling stage. Unlike competition for nutrient and moisture, once weeds shed, a crop plant increased light intensity cannot benefit it. Competition for space. Crop weed competition for space is the requirement for CO2 and the competition may occur under extreme crowded plant community conditions. A more efficient utilization of CO2 by C4 type weeds may contribute to their rapid growth over C3 type of crop. Now, critical period of crop weed competition. The period at which maximum crop weed competition occur called critical period of crop weed competition. It is the shortest time span in the ontogeny of crop when weeds result in higher economic return. Now, this slide shows the critical period of crop weed competition in some crops. First crop, we see that rice crop. The rice is transplant or sown. In transplanted rice, the critical weed competition, crop weed competition, up to 6 weeks after transplanting, and direct seeding rice up to 6 weeks after sowing. Wheat and ragi up to 5 weeks of sowing. Maize 2 to 6 weeks of sowing. Bajra up to 4 weeks of sowing. Jowar and sesame 2 to 5 weeks after sowing. Sugarcane 12 to 14 weeks after sowing. Sunflower 2 to 4 weeks after sowing. Groundnut 4 to 7 weeks after sowing. Green gram and black gram 4 to 6 weeks after sowing. Red gram up to 7 weeks of sowing. Horse gram 3 to 6 weeks after sowing. Cotton 6 to 9 weeks after sowing. Castor 3 to 9 weeks after sowing, and tobacco up to 9 weeks after sowing. Now, allopathy or allotaxy. The term allopathy was introduced by Mollis in 1937. Plants growing in the community produce and release numerous secondary metabolites, many of which are capable of initiating chemical welfare among the neighbor plants. The word allopathy is derived from Greek word allelo, means each other, and patho, an expression of sufferance of disease. The phenomenon of one plant having a detrimental effect on another through the producing and releasing of toxic chemicals has been termed allopathy. These chemicals are called allochemicals. Parthenium daughter plants exhibiting allotaxy to its parent plant is known as autotaxy. Allopathic chemicals are largely derivatives of benzoic acid, cinnamic acid, phenolic acid, and etc. Now, factor affecting crop weed competition. There are several factors which affect crop weed competition. First is period of weed growth. Weeds interfere with crop at any time they are present in the crop. Thus, weeds that germinate along with crop are more competitive. Sugarcane takes about 1 month to complete its germination phase, while weeds require very less time to complete its germination. By that time, crop plants are usually smoothed by the weeds completely. First 1/4 to 1/3 of the growing period of many crops is critical period. In direct sown rice, more severe weed competition than transplanted rice. However, in a situation where wheat germinate late, as in dry land wheat or sorghum, the late stage of weeding is more useful than in their early weeding. Weeds. The second point is weed oblique crop density. Increasing weed density, decreasing the crop yield. The relationship between the yield and weed competition is sigmoidal. In rice, density of barnyard grass, if it is less than 10 plants per meter square, rice yield were produced by 20 and 11 quintal per hectare respectively. Crop density also affect the weed biomass production. Increasing yield, plant population decrease weed growth and reduce competition utility. They are self-competitive for soil moisture and other nutrients. In wheat, reduce row spacing from 20 to 15 cm. Reduce the dry matter yield of Phalaris species by 18.3%. Now, plant species effect. First, weed species. Wheat differ in their ability to compete with crop at similar density level. This is because of difference in their growth habit and to some extent due to allopathic effect. Now crop species and variety. Smothering crop grow very fast during early stage. Cowpea and Hass gram are tolerant to wheat competition. When we compare the crop wheat competition between two varieties of groundnut in spreading groundnut, the yield loss is 15% in weedy plots compared to bunch type of groundnut where yield loss is 30%. This is due to smoothing effect of spreading groundnut varieties. Soil and chemical influences. First, soil fertility. Under limited nutrient condition, competition exists between the crop plant and weed. Soil type, soil fertility, soil moisture, and soil reaction influence the crop weed competition. Elevated soil fertility usually stimulate weed more than the crop, reducing the crop yield. Method and type of application of fertilizer to crop determining whether added fertilizer will be suppress or invigorate weed growth in field. Application of fertilizer during early crop growth stage when weed growth is negligible was more beneficial. Soil moisture status. Weed differ in their responsible to available moisture in soil. When fields are irrigated immediately after planting, then weeds attain more competitive advantage over crop. If the weeds were already present at the time of irrigation, they would grow so luxuriantly as to completely overcover the crop. If the crop is irrigated after it has shown 50 centimeter or more weed-free environment, irrigation could has not closing in the crop row, thus suppressing weeds. In waterlogged soils, weeds are more competitive than crop plant. In submerged condition in rice, weeds are put a disadvantage to start with, but if it is a break in submergence, the weeds may germinate and grow more vigorously than the crop, even if field was were submerged later. Soil reaction. Abnormal soil reaction, very high or very low pH, often aggravate weed competition. Weeds offer intense competition to crop on abnormal soil pH than on normal pH soil. In acid soil, Rumex species and saline alkaline soil, Agropyron are the dominant weeds. Now, climatic influence. Adverse weather condition per adverse weather condition like drought, flood, and extreme of temperature intensify weed competition interferes since most of our crop varieties are highly susceptible to such climatic influence, whereas the wheat are tolerant to their stress. Now, cropping practice. Time and method of crops. Planting crops. If the time of planting a crop is such that its germination coincides with the emergence of first flush of weed, it leads to intense crop weed competition. Usually, longer the interval between emergence of crop and weed, lesser will be crop weed competition interference. Method of planting of crops. Method of planting of crops may also affect the crop weed competition. Wheat seed germinate more rapidly from top 1 to 1.25 centimeter of soil, though it is considered up to 2.5 centimeter depth. Avena, barnyard grass, and Vesica species may germinate even from 15 centimeter depth. Therefore, planting method that dries up the top 3 to 5 centimeter of soil rapidly to deny weeds seed opportunity to absorb moisture for their germination and usually postpone weed emergence until first irrigation. By that time, crop weed establish well and compete with weed. Crop density and rectangularity. It determines the quantity and quality of crop environment available to the growth of weed. Wide row spacing with simultaneous high intra-row plant population may induce dense weed growth, but square method of planting is ideal to reduce intra-row competition from the point of weed crop competition. Thank you.